Alright, so today we got a really exciting episode for you guys. This is a brand new C8 Corvette. We're going to do what I consider the essentials, which is make the car, more personalized for the customer. We're going to add a full Aero kit. We're going to put an exhaust system on the car, and we're going to not only make it look better, but we're going to make it sound better and perform better. So stick around. So we're going to start in the rear of the car. We're going to really transform the way it looks. It looked kind of plain without the spoiler, so we're going to add a nice high kick spoiler. We're going to paint this upper portion of the bumper to match the color of the car, giving it a bigger look and a more customized look. We're going to go ahead and add side skirts and a front lip to complete the whole Aero package. While we have the bumper off, we're going to install an air intake system and the Corsa Exhaust system with the valves. I can't wait to show you guys what it's going to look like when it all comes together. Alright, so now that we got the bumper off, we're going to completely disassemble it very carefully in order to prep it for paint. We're going to do fine line tape, and then we're going to have the body shop paint this bottom portion to match the color of the car. They're also going to take the high kick wing and paint the blade the same color as the car. We'll leave the pedestals black and the end plates black, so it's going to give it a nice custom look. Alright, so we just finished drilling the holes with the template on the bumper. So next up we're going to peel off the tape that's on there. We're going to go ahead and very carefully mount the wing. Alright, next up we're going to take the motors off the factory exhaust system valves. We're going to put them on the new exhaust system. And this way it'll operate just like it did from the factory with a push of the button from the steering wheel. Okay guys, here's a completed project. The car turned out fantastic. Test drive went really well. We have the complete Aero kit completed on the car, from front wind splitter to side skirt extensions, and the rear spoiler color match to the bottom of the bumper. And we're super excited about the way the car sounds and performs too. Just with hitting the button, you can make it super quiet or super loud. This is now completed. We're going to deliver it to the customer, and I hope to see you guys on the next segment.